Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and thought I'd just show you a little bit of information about fills and outlines. This is a 12 by 12 box, and I've got my nudge factor set on 1 inch. This is a 1 inch line. I'm going to nudge it over 1 inch, and you can see that the fill is exactly the same size as the line. It is a 12 by 12 line. Well, if we take this line back, nudge it back over, go to the pen tool. It right now is set on inside the outline. Let's set it on outside the outline and look what happened. It made it bigger. So now it's still a 1 inch box, but if we select it, if I can select it, I can move it over, and now you see that it's a 1 inch. The fill is 1 inch. Our box is still having a little trouble selecting it. Tell you what, let me move that out of the way. Our box is still 12 by 12, and our fill is still 12 by 12, but the box is on the outside, so the black is like right up to the edge of the red, where if you have it the other way, and you can have it in the center, and now it's in the center. So now we move it over 1 inch, it'll only be a ½ inch showing on both sides. Hope that made a little sense, and thank you for watching.